It's 9:20 now to a South Carolina safety alert. Haywood County says they have 11 cases of whooping cough and 9 of them are of kids and teens. Now, whooping cough is an infection in the airways and lungs. It can spread easily when you cough or sneeze, and symptoms usually develop within 5 to 10 days, but they can last as long as 21 days. We know that kids younger than the age of 1 or with weakened immune systems, you're the most at risk with this. So you're reminded to practice some good hand washing and cough etiquette, and parents keep this in mind. You should also keep the kiddos at home if they are diagnosed with whooping cough.